Okay, quick tutorial on how to set up a discussion board. I'm in the class home, and I'm in my 7th grade math class. So come over here under class home, comm center, discussions. You can see I have 2 discussion boards already going. New board. I'm just going to type new board, and underneath I'll type welcome, and I'll hit enter. And you'll notice new board's the title, the description is welcome. If I click on here, you can't put any, you can't write here yet. You have to add a topic, and you can add multiple topics. So I'll just write topic 1 and discuss weather and submit. And now if we click in here, I can reply and say the weather is nice. And then any of my students in this class can come in and discuss it as well. Now I'll show you how I'm using the discussion boards. This was yesterday's discussion board. This is today's, where they can come in, ask me questions about the assignment or the homework, and immediately they wanted to know how to do it in the online test. I put this example on the online test, but I did it again. And then if you notice, there's questions about the assignment, and then a question about something specific, and another student asked specifically about a couple of questions. So I went into PowerPoint and created a quick video, uploaded it to YouTube.
Okay,
and
a couple of you said
jumped ahead
minutes, right?
And was able to do the homework problem for them.
So get rid of inches
on PowerPoint,
and that
and
will
get a
give
real-time
us
response for them, or as close to real-time as we can right now.
1/1